Okay, here we have the hummingbird mugs for Miss Sherry. It's 20 spots at $1 a spot. Grab our list. Go ahead and go live at 8:02. Look over our list. Still 8:02. We need a 4 or more on our dice. We got a 12. Still 8:02. This will be our first roll. 20 items on the list. Melissa's on top and also on the bottom. We did get a 12. Makes 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 20 items on the list. Robin on top, Melissa's on the bottom. We randomized 11 times. Our dice calls for a 12. It's 8:03. This will be our final roll. Good luck, everyone. Robin Moody, congratulations, you're the winner. 20 items on our list. Spot 15, Robin Moody is the winner. We have randomized 12 times. Our dice called for 12. Go get our final stamp. We are done at 8:04.